My name is Adam Heath. I'm an industrial designer. I studied product design at the University of Wolverhampton at an undergraduate and master's level. I always tried to find companies that match the same values of myself, and those are ones that are looking to move humanity forward and really look at maximising the potential of people. And I feel that Metakosmos really matched with that, especially with the emphasis on thriving in extreme conditions and human performance. My main responsibilities were looking at the industrial design workflow, trying to build a process for Metakosmos to go through. I would say a skill that I did not expect to learn was probably more from the medical side. I feel that through the research and the interest from the company, that really looking at the ins and outs of a person and really learning from a medical perspective. My favourite memories from the internship was the SXSW pitch. I think Metakosmos has a culture of exploration. I think we definitely talk about that no idea is a bad idea.
My name is Jiaying Liu. So I studied Bachelor of Aerospace Engineering at UNSW. And I worked as a space system engineering intern at Metakosmos. So I came across Metakosmos on the LinkedIn profiles, and I saw the interesting, innovative projects that Metakosmos is working on. So I think it's very fascinating, and I wanted to learn more about it. So I went for my opportunities when they had the internship roles. I was working on the thermal management systems in the life support systems in the spacesuits. So my main task was to design and develop a new thermal management systems based on and expanded from the old systems. So during my internship at Metakosmos, the whole learning process about the life support system was very fascinating to see the historical development of spacesuits till now, the current design. So the team is always very supportive during my internship time. We always have weekly one-on-one meetings to check for the project updates. I also get support from other team members asking about the projects.
My name is Aiden. I have a double bachelor's in mechatronic engineering and computer science. I took on a role as a space systems engineer at Metakosmos. I saw the website and content that Metakosmos had released on their social media platforms, looked at all the engineering work that they were currently doing, and decided that I couldn't miss a chance at being a part of the Metakosmos team. I worked on 2 projects during my internship. The first project was an avionics black box design, and I worked on the intersuit communications. I gained an in-depth understanding of engineering as a whole. I worked on multiple projects and had to manage my time and effectiveness for those multiple projects. Alongside all of that, I gained technical skills in FEA analysis and complex communication systems design. The team was very helpful and supportive. They backed every question, every analysis that I had, and provided further insights to help me progress my design, both creativity and technically. Well, I've actually gained a position here at Metakosmos as a space systems engineer, and I'm currently working to progress Metakosmos into space.
Hi, my name is Agie. I did a double degree in a Bachelor's of Aerospace Engineering and Commerce, majoring in Finance. My main role here in the internship was a Space Systems Engineer. I mainly worked on the manufacturing side of things and leading that frontier and pushing things forward. I thought it was a great opportunity. I thought it was really just a no-brainer. I always loved space. I just probably couldn't just help myself. It was just a good opportunity. Mainly looking at things from a manufacturing perspective, taking a holistic approach to everything, looking at the spacesuit in its full form and its entirety. The team is very friendly. They're very supportive in general. If you want to learn something, they'll try to help you. They'll go above and beyond. I'll be continuing my role here at Metakosmos. I will essentially be the manufacturing lead and leading that frontier. Say go for it. I think it's a no-brainer. For me, it was definitely that way. So take this opportunity.
Go for it. There's no reason not to do it. The team, the culture that we have here at Metakosmos is impeccable. The work that you'll produce has an impact on the space environment as a whole and is extremely fulfilling.
Just go for any opportunities you can see, because it will become a very unique experience you go through.
Don't hesitate, apply, and when you do, if you're successful, throw yourself into it as much as possible because you get more out of it that way.